everyone, my name is Elsa from Germanistic Studies, Universitas Indonesia. With my partner, Mr. Dias Rifanza, we'll talk about analysis of the procedures and methods of translating the song I See the Light into German and Saya ist das Licht. Soundtrack is a musical recording that accompanies the picture from the film. The soundtrack in a film aims to strengthen a scene that is shown and also so that the film is not monotonous. One of the soundtrack from Tangled is I See the Light, which was released by Walt Disney in 2010 in the United States. The song is sung by Mandy Moore and Zachary Levi, who also voices Rapunzel and Flynn in the film. The song I See the Light, composed by Alan Menken and Glenn Slater, describes how happy Rapunzel is that she managed to get out of the tower, where she was locked up for years and then found what she had been looking for. This research uses a qualitative descriptive method because we use existing theories to analyze the problem in our data. In translating the text, the translator must have knowledge of the source language and target language so that it can be accepted by the target reader. This analysis, the Newmark method used is the literal translation, idiomatic translation, and communicative translation. In addition to the Newmark method, we also use translation procedures or techniques. According to Vinay and Dabenelt, the soundtrack analysis uses the procedure, that is transposition, modulation, equivalence, and literal translation. The words all the time never even knowing and all die Zeit wusste ist es nicht have the same meaning. However, there are differences between the two sentences, namely the verb in the source text is in the last position, while in the target text the verb is in the second position. Furthermore, the word never in the source text is in the second position, while the translation the word nicht is located at the end of the sentence. Source and target sentence have the same meaning, although the placement of the verbs in the two lyrics is different. The meaning is the same. In German, the verb is always in the second position because the verb has an important role in a sentence. The components contained in a sentence depend on the verb. The source text is an idiom that cannot be taken literally. The target text uses a different language style from the source text, but the sentence have the same situation. The meaning of outside looking in is an idiom which means isolated. That he feels he has no one because he feels he's alone in the tower. The translator search for the same match without replacing the existing message in the source language. The type of modulation used in independent modulation. Lyric 8 is sung from Rapunzel's point of view that she is very happy and comfortable when she is in a place full of light, while lyric 24, which is sung from Flynn's point of view, states that the place he has been looking for is when he meets with Rapunzel. The word the fog does not mean fog in the sky, but Rapunzel's mood is not as beautiful as fog. Fog can be interpreted to be dark, gloomy, and unreal. The translator translates the word into Dichatan or in Indonesian, namely bayangan, because in the lyric of the target language, the word is more in lyric with the sense of value in the third stanza of the song Endlich Saya ist das Licht. In modulation, the word or sentence used by the source language and the target language do not have to be exactly the same, but can be replaced by changing different point of view. The meaning of the phrase Die Zeit bleibt stehen is that Flynn realized that Rapunzel's presence was what he had been looking for. His presence made time seem not to run, namely that Flynn only focused on Rapunzel without thinking about her surroundings and as if the world belonged to them both. The source and the target language have a different point of view, namely the source language focus on the flow of time, Because if you look the before lyric, namely and the word has somehow shifted, and the lyric after, that is now that I see you, it is explained that Rapunzel felt that the word changed when she met him, namely Flynn. The difference explains that there is a word that shows an adverb of time, namely now, to emphasize to the reader that when Rapunzel met Flynn, who is her lover, she feels the world becomes more beautiful. These two sentences have the same meaning. The lyric is sung from Flynn's point of view. The translator interprets chasing down a daydream with nur für mich da, because Flynn lives alone who wants to live happily. But in fact, he does not know his future purpose in life. The translator wants to tell target text readers that she Rapunzel shines like a star. When translator translates in the starlight with im Sternenlicht, it is feared that target text readers misunderstand the meaning. The translation of the lyric above is included in the shift in meaning because there is a change in point of view between source language and target language. Understand the meaning. In this case, the sentence in target text wants to clarify the meaning of the phrase crystal clear, that Flynn finally realized that the place where he should be is with someone he loves. This is explained in the following lyric in the search language, namely I'm where I'm meant to go. According to Nida and Taber, translation is an activity to find the closest and reasonable equivalent. The translator wants to convey the message in the source text to the reader that Flynn feels that his life is dark because he has no purpose. He is alone because he does not have a job. The meaning of the word Einspielplatz is likened to a child who is playing and often forgets the time. Therefore, the word never truly saying is appropriate when it is paired with Einspielplatz. In the source text, there is the sentence things the way they were, which is a continuity of the previous sentence, namely all the time never truly saying, and the target language lyric is also a continuity of the previous sentence, namely all die Zeit war die Welt ein Spielplatz. The two sentences above have the same meaning, namely how blind I am. It can also be seen that the sentence is translated word for word or literally. Although in the target language there is an adverb, namely immersion, it does not change the overall meaning. Both sentences have the same meaning, which is both staring from the window. Although the sentence in the source text does not have a subject, it does not because a change in point of view when translated into the target text. In the target text there is subject, namely ich, while in the source text there is none. The addition of the word ich is a linguistic amplification procedure because there is an addition of subject elements. It was also explained that in German there must be a subject in every sentence. In German, verbs cannot be combined. There must be a separator with a comma. In search language, there is a subject, namely I'm, which stands for I am and see. Meanwhile, in target language, there are verbs, namely fang, which comes from anfangen, and sein, which comes from the word sehen, even though they have different language styles. The two lyrics have the same meaning, which is when I'm here, I start to see. The translation of the lyric above is included in the reduction procedure because the word somehow is omitted in the target language. But when viewed from the structure of the target text and source text, they have something in common, namely the translator only transfers the meaning from the source text to the target text. The procedure of transposition, literal translation, linguistic amplification, and reduction uses literal translation method to analyze the I see the light lyric. Although the wording in the source language is not the same as the wording in the target language, the meaning remains the same. The equivalence procedure uses the idiomatic translation method because the translator wants to explain the idiom or phrase in the source text. The modulation, compensation, and generalization procedure use communicative translation because the translator wants to change the message so that the target text reader can understand the meaning of the search language lyric.